Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase real estate investment appeal with Fundrise, complete guide step by step clearly.
Begin by understanding what Fundrise is and how it operates as an investment platform.
Research the types of real estate investments available through Fundrise, including commercial and residential properties. Create an account on Fundrise by visiting their website and providing the necessary personal and financial information. Explore the investment options Fundrise offers, such as EREITs and e-funds, to determine which aligns with your investment strategy. Analyze the risk and return profiles of each investment option to ensure they meet your financial goals. Consider the minimum investment requirements, as Fundrise often allows investments starting as low as $500. Take advantage of the educational resources provided by Fundrise to enhance your understanding of real estate investing. Read through the platform's blog and market insights to stay updated on industry trends and investment strategies. Evaluate the historical performance data of Fundrise offerings to gauge their potential for growth. Diversify your investments within the Fundrise platform by selecting a mix of asset types and geographic locations. Utilize the Auto Invest feature if available, which allows you to set and forget your investment preferences for hassle-free growth. Monitor your investments regularly using the Fundrise dashboard to track performance and adjust your strategy as needed. Engage with the Fundrise community forums to connect with other investors and share insights or tips. Review the tax implications of your investments, as Fundrise provides tax-efficient investment options. Consider leveraging Fundrise portfolio rebalancing tools to maintain alignment with your financial objectives. Stay informed about changes in the real estate market that may affect your investments by following financial news outlets. Evaluate Fundrise fees and understand how they impact your overall returns, as transparency is key in investment decisions. Utilize any available customer support resources for additional questions or concerns regarding your investments. Continue to educate yourself on real estate trends and Fundrise updates to maximize your investment appeal over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.